The Toycon is a gathering of all collectors both from Philippines and abroad. The first thing that we have, why we have this toy convention, is we wanted to promote the local artists and the local toy designers and everything locally related items with regard to this hobby. We wanted this to be a venue of letting our artists be recognized worldwide. So perhaps to this little way, we could achieve that. And I think we are achieving that.
What does it do for me? It's fun, you know, kasi a lot of kids talaga, they grew up collecting superheroes, and I guess they also learn stuff from them. Like, some of the kids learn how to be heroes in their own way.
First of all, I'm cosplaying for memories and bonding with my friends. And second, it's a challenge to make my own garb and my props. And third, it's a great experience for me. So when I grow old and see the pictures, and I say, I've had fun in my life. This event is always an exciting event because it brings out a lot of our young jockeys to express themselves. And I think it's a culture, it's a pop culture that I'd like everyone and the kids to be into this rather than get into drums, you know. So it's very exciting because they get together and enjoy themselves. So it's an expression actually.
Because of this event, nagkakaroon lalo ng awareness and more options ang mga collectors and even non-collectors because they can see the wide array of merchandise.
I've been a fan of toys. I've been going to the Toycon. It just keeps on getting bigger and bigger each year.
Lagi kang manood ng Hero TV dahil bida ka dito.
Lagi kayong manood ng Hero TV dahil bida kayo dito.
Parati po ang manood ng Hero TV po para makita niyo po ako